Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Economic order quantity, part B, EOQ and total cost at EOQ. So let us start with question number 4. X Limited manufactures a special product ZED and provides the following information. Demand of ZED is 1000 units per month. Semi-annual carrying cost is 6%. Raw materials required per unit of finished product is 2 kg. Ordering cost per order is Rs 90. Purchase price of input units is Rs 25 per kg. So we need to calculate first economic order quantity, second total annual carrying and ordering cost at the quantity. So let us start with the solution. We know that A stands for annual purchase, which will be equal to demand for ZED is 1000 units per month and raw materials required per unit of finished product is 2 kgs. So annual purchase is equal to 1000 into 12 months into 2 kgs, which will be equal to Rs 24 kgs. CA stands for ordering cost per order, which will be equal to ordering cost per order is given as Rs 90. So we'll record it Rs 90. CI, which is equal to carrying cost per unit per annum, which will be equal to semi-annual carrying cost is 6% and purchase price of input unit is Rs 25 per kg. So the semi-annual carrying cost, which is 6%, will be charged on purchase price of input unit, which is Rs 25 per kg. And we'll also multiply raw materials required per unit of finished products, that is 2 kg, to find out carrying cost. So carrying cost per unit per annum is equal to Rs 25 into 6% into 2, which will be equal to Rs 3. So economic order quantity is equal to under root 2A CA upon CI, which will be equal to under root 2 into A, which is 24,000 kgs, into CA, which is 90, divided by CI, which is Rs 3, which will be equal to 1200 kg. So economic order quantity is 1200 kgs. Next we'll calculate total annual carrying and ordering cost. So first we'll calculate number of orders, which will be equal to A upon Q, that is annual purchase divided by EOQ quantity, which will be equal to annual purchase is 24,000 kgs and EOQ is 1200 kg. So 24,000 divided by 1200 will be equal to 20. So the number of orders is 20. Next we'll calculate total ordering cost, which will be equal to A upon Q into CA, which is annual purchase divided by quantity into ordering cost, which will be equal to A upon Q, that is number of orders, is calculated as 20. So CA amount is given as Rs 90. So we'll record it, which will be equal to 1800. So the total ordering cost is 1800. Next we'll calculate total carrying cost, which is equal to Q upon 2 into CI, that is quantity divided by 2 into carrying cost, which will be equal to quantity is 1200 and CI is Rs 3. So 1200 divided by 2 into CI, that is rupees 3, which will be equal to 1800. So the total carrying cost is 1800. Next we will calculate total cost, which is equal to 1800 of ordering cost plus 1800 of carrying cost, which will be equal to 3600. So the total cost is 3600. Or we can also calculate total cost at EOQ to find out the total cost, which will be equal to under root 2 into A into CA into CI, which will be equal to under root 2 into A, that is 24,000, into CA, that is 90, into CI, that is rupees 3, which will be equal to rupees 3600. So the total cost at EOQ is rupees 3600.